10 ways to kill Sharky. The first way, whip him. What? Second way, shoot him with this gun. Please don't shoot me with this gun, please. The third way, punch him to death. I don't punch you. No, no, please. The fourth way, feed him to the monster. No, please don't eat me. I gotta eat you. Dinner time, dinner time. The fifth way, step him. I'll step you. Sixth way, saw him. Please give me another gun. Please don't saw me. Okay. The seventh way, cut his head off. Oh, please don't cut my head off. Please, I beg you. Okay, the eighth way, feed him to the lion. Mr. Lion, please don't eat me. I need to have lunch. Please. Burp. Okay, the 10th way, fart on him. At least no one did fart on me. Hey guys, that was the 10 ways to how to kill a shark.
10th way, bomb him.
Oh no, I'm totally dying. Please subscribe or I will die. And please like this link.